In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a Google form to Google Sheets for automatic response collection. By the end, your form will send every response straight into a spreadsheet, neatly organized and ready to analyze. Start by opening your Google form. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the editor view where you can see your questions. Across the top, you'll notice a set of tabs. Switch from Questions to the tab labeled Responses. It's in the top center, right next to Questions and Settings. This area is designed to help you review incoming answers and manage where they go. Inside the Responses tab, look for the small green spreadsheet icon. That's the Google Sheets icon, and it tells Forms where to store your data. Click that icon to set up the connection. This is the key action that links your form to a spreadsheet. You'll now see a prompt with two choices. If you select Create a new spreadsheet, Google Forms will generate a brand new Google Sheet, typically named after your form. This is a great option if you're starting fresh and want all your responses in a dedicated file. You can also rename it in the prompt to keep your drive organized. If you choose Select Existing Spreadsheet, you'll pick a file that already exists in your Google Drive. Forms will add a new tab or sheet within that existing file to hold the responses for this specific form. This can be useful if you're centralizing multiple forms in one workbook. Once you've made your choice, Forms completes the link automatically. A confirmation window usually opens the spreadsheet so you can see the structure right away. You'll notice a timestamp column followed by one column for each question in your form. From this point forward, every response submitted through the form will appear in a new row of the linked Google Sheet. The transfer happens automatically and typically within seconds, so you can monitor results in real time without manual copying. If you ever want to return to the spreadsheet, just revisit the Responses tab and use the Sheets icon again to open the linked file. To keep your data flowing smoothly, it's best not to delete or rearrange the header row in the sheet, since those headers correspond to your form questions. That's it. Open your form, go to Responses, click the Google Sheets icon, choose a new or existing spreadsheet, and your responses will be captured automatically in Google Sheets.